So now we're going to enclose the form on the top with wet fingers. You can kind of triangle your hands together to course the clay together. So we'll just pinch off that last little bit. And this is all I can do for compression on this piece. When the piece stiffens up a little bit and we take the lid off, we'll be able to add a little piece of clay right to this top on the underneath side. This is our fancy clothespin, and it will be used as a tool to make the gallery. So I'm going to just put the piece here and just make a definition of where the gallery will be. I do it about a ½ inch down, and I'm going to angle the tool in on the second push. I want a beveled edge there. And then I'm going to redefine those lines that are left. I'll just clean that up. And the last thing that we do is a little spiral on the top. And we'll set this piece aside to dry. So when this piece stiffens up a little bit, you're going to want to add a little hole right below the lid form. So you're just going to want to release the air with a hole. This is our box form that we're coming back to at the leather hard stage. And so I can come back there with my needle tool and trim this lid off, making sure that I'm holding it with my left hand. And then we're going to clean up this rough edge. Try not to take off too much clay, because we'll need it to use as a chuck to place our lid inside. But I will go ahead and bevel this.